Hi there, here's Ricardo Melo speaking again from Brazil. How are you? As usual, I hope everything is okay with you, your family, your country. It's a great joy for me, my dear friends, to share another drop of inspiration with all of you. Thank you very, very much for helping us spread this message around the world. I'm really grateful for that. My dear friends, today we are going to talk about our noisy minds. Very inspiring topic. Have you noticed how our minds are so full? Yeah, we usually have several negative thoughts or worries that prevent us from having peace and well being. And a mind full of noise, my friends, make us angry and impatient. And so we don't enjoy life in a light and a pleasant way. On the contrary, and patient people fight each other, get sick, and have a low self-esteem. This is the big problem. Oh, impatient people doesn't have a good contact with God. This contact with God is not so good because they are always tense. Some even have faith, I know, but their faith is not serene, it's not calm as it should be. So the bottom line here is this is very, very important we clear our minds. This is the only way we can enjoy the life better. Do you agree with that? Just like our digital device or our living space, for example, our mind also have a limited amount of storage space. It's just a metaphor, but it's very, very interesting reflect from this point. And unfortunately, we cannot buy more storage space. You know what I mean? So, my dear friends, how about decluttering your mind regularly and freeing up the storage space in your mind? Tell me what you think about it. Delete, throw out, and organize everything wisely and effectively. Do this, and you'll find everything easily, believe me, and have more focus, more calm, more space. This is my first tip for you. The second tip, you can start by writing everything that bothers you. It's very interesting as well. Then analyze and see what really makes sense in every nuisance, in every never point you wrote. After that, my dear friends, you can stop a little, take some deep breath, pay attention to the breath while your mind is calming. You know what I mean? So it's a process, very simple to follow, but it's a very important process. Do this exercise several times. This is my suggestion for you in our drop of inspiration of today. I really think it will help you a lot. I assure you. I assure you, absolutely. I hope these tips will help you clear your mind and help you enjoy your life better. So, all my best for you. See you soon in another drop of inspiration. Bye bye, my dear friends.